Today I'm going to show you how to build this cardboard puzzle box. So first, you'll want to open up this drawer, but it's locked. So actually, come over here, and you just pull that out. And the drawer will be able to be opened like that. So now I have these three little wheel thingies. This thing that says bottom right, BR, I think that stands for bottom right. And then over here it says TL, that stands for top left. So on this instructions, it says top left, and then that was something that I did wrong. So then, after you do that, it means to put this on the top left side and put it on the top left like that. And you have to find the word, a word that's kind of mixed up. Right here, it's C-A-T, cat. So if you come over here to these wheels here, turn it to C on the bottom, A on the bottom, T on the bottom, then flip it over. It says cross X heart. So then over here, it says cross X heart and then circle heart square and X. So I think so that means that you put the key into here and you kind of go fishing almost for something. Hold on. This part is kind of hard. I'll pick it out a bit. There we go. So you get that wire and you pull it out, and this wire has another clue. So if you open it up, it says BR. That stands for bottom right. And right here, it says BR. So then you come over here, and you do it here again. Right here it says the word car is mixed up. C-A-R right there. So then you come back to these gears again. And you do C-A-R all at the bottom. Flip it over. Cross X circle. Come over here. Cross X circle and cross X circle. So you stick this wire into here and that light turns on. And then over here, there is the sign of the light's lighting up. And there's an arrow pointing down. So then, disconnect it from the battery. And just turn it where I can see it. And then get this key again. And, pry this door open. That was open from the beginning. And then I just like put a Lego puzzle box here. And so it's even harder, and then you solve this Lego puzzle box. So how this works real quick. If you open it up, this is what you'll see on the inside. So the drawer, it was just kept by this, the thingy, it was holding it there through that hole. And then that kept the drawer from wobbling up and down. Then I hot glued this thingy here, and the wire, it was just more, it was like, well, it was like this. And then you just pulled it out of that hole with the key. And then the coding. These wheels, I just kind of drew different letters that are all used in those words that are mixed up. And below are each different symbols. And then for over here, the wiring, basically how it works is, let's see, electricity, the negative electricity from the battery goes straight to the light, but the positive goes here. And then whenever you fix this wire here, connect it in here, and then over here is that white and it leads to the light. So if you connect it there too, oh, I don't have the battery connected to the wires. Just reconnect them. Now let's try that. If you do it, the light turns on, and you can also use like, it just has to power some light, and you can draw that there, and you can read the arrow, or it'll power a like a recorder, and you can record a clue on it. What? So then, I think that's pretty much it.